Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning. Today we will do some grammar exercises.
Good morning.
Good morning. Morning. Class 10, 10 students attendance in the Sunday test is very poor. Why is it so? Class 10E. Okay, so you have to fill in prepositions. Kishan Kumar, what will you use in the first sentence? Which preposition? I was amazed dash her brilliant performance. Kishan,
Yes, ma'am.
which preposition you'll use in the first sentence? I was amazed dash. Amazed means
बाई मैम बाई होगा
नहीं बाय नहीं होगा.
Ma'am off. Ma'am off.
नहीं ऑफ भी नहीं होगा.
Ma'am,
मैम
with
ऑन
It.
Amazed at. You're amazed at someone's. Amazed means surprised. I was amazed at her brilliant performance. At. She is anxious.
Ma'am,
Dash.
two here.
Yes, Sugandh gave the correct answer. Yes, Sugandh, your answer is correct. He is anxious to hear. Then, I'm anxious dash his health.
About his health.
Yes. Uh, you know the same word is followed by different prepositions according to what the sentence means and what follows in the sentence. So you use anxious to, also anxious about, also anxious to hear from her daughter, anxious about his health. He apologized
For.
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 So see, apologized also you use for
मैम
and
फॉर
also. अगर यहाँ कोई पर्सन रहता, जैसे she apologized dash the teacher,
To.
then what you'll use?
To.
Yes, then you'll use to. So the same words are followed by different preposition according to what follows in the sentence. So you apologized for behavior and you apologize to a person. Uh, they appealed dash
To us.
for help. Yes.
Us.
Appealed also means request. Uh, so they appealed to us for help. He appears dash be rather opinionated.
to be.
Yes.
Two.
He appears to be rather opinionated.
Other
We want the best candidate to be appointed dash the post.
for
Five.
for
Yes, for the post. Okay. We want the best candidate to be appointed for the post. She has an aptitude.
in mathematics. In
Aptitude for.
oh
Avail yourself. dash this opportunity.
For this opportunity.
For this.
Ma'am, for.
नहीं, for नहीं.
Of.
Yes, of. Avail yourself of this opportunity. Of this opportunity. Are you aware?
From.
Are you aware from his plans? Nahi?
Ma'am, of.
Of.
Yes. Yes,
Of, ma'am.
Advait gave the correct answer. Are you aware of his plans? Yes. She is backward dash her studies.
In.
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 Backward in. I don't think we can bank dash him this time.
Up.
No.
On.
Yes, backward on. Bank on him.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of bank here?
Bank here means take advantage. Get some cash.
Oh.
Bank on. The task turned out to be more difficult than he had bargained. Dash.
Of.
For. Of.
Okay. Please bear dash me until I finish this job. Please bear.
With.
Yes.
With.
Please bear with me. Please bear with me until I finish this job. Do you believe dash socialism?
In.
In.
In. Okay. Okay, so we see that the same words are followed by different preposition uh, according to the meaning what it conveys. So we will just go through some words which are followed by different preposition. So agree with a person, agree to a thing. Hmm? Like example, if we take, I agree with her. I agreed to his proposal. And with you use agree upon also. He agreed upon the policy. They agreed. The members jointly agreed upon the policy. So agree is followed by different prepositions. Agree with a person, agree to a proposal, agree upon the policy. Then angry with a person. This is a common mistake. Some students use angry on a person, so you have to be careful. It is angry with a person and angry at the thing for some reason. Like the teacher was angry with me. Angry with me. But the teacher what will you use here? Dash his, the teacher was angry dash his misbehavior.
With. With.
You are angry with a person. Here
Sorry,
what
ma'am. At this. At.
यहाँ क्या है? At a thing for some
Yes, ma'am.
reason. Here it is a reason. Here
Yeah,
you
ma'am.
are used with. Why? Because it is a person, me. Here it is some reason, misbehavior. So for reason, what you have to use? At.
With.
So you understand the difference? Angry with and angry at. You are angry with a person. Mother was angry dash my brother. What will you use? Mother was angry dash my brother.
With.
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 With my brother.
So okay, then you appeal to a person, you appeal for a thing. Like we will take example. Okay, then the criminal appealed dash mercy. So what will you use in the first sentence?
For.
मैम for
Two.
oh मैम two
Two.
मैम second में four होगा मैम
Person
The criminal appealed for mercy.
for me. You
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
he is
first
telling
person.
about second.
you appeal for a thing. You appeal to a person, you appeal for a thing. So what will you use in the first sentence?
Two.
मैम
Two.
Person. Yes, you'll use to because it is person to me. You appeal to a
Yeah.
person. So you appeal to a person. So he appealed to me. Then the criminal appeal dash mercy. What will you use in the second?
For.
For.
For. So you use appeal to, appeal for. Appeal to a person, appeal for a thing. Okay. Then apply to a person, apply for a post. The example, apply to a person, apply for. He applied dash the manager. He what will you use?
He
He
appealed to
applied
the
to
manager.
the manager.
He applied to the manager. He applied dash the post of the clerk. What will you use?
For.
For the
For the
For.
post.
For.
For.
okay, yes. Then attend on a person, attend for a thing. Attend on a person means what? To look after a person. देखभाल करना. हाँ? Attend for a thing. So what will you use in the first one?
मैम on.
Okay, attended on his sick mother. So attended means uh, To look after
Person.
someone. Then he attended for his mistakes, for a thing. Okay. Then blind of one eye, blind to one's fault. Blind of one eye means what? One who cannot see with one eye. Blind to one's fault मतलब किसी के गलती को नजरअंदाज करना. Example, the father blind dash his son's faults. So what will you use in this sentence? The father was blind dash his son's fault. Huh? Mistakes.
Two.
Two. Huh? The beggar was blind dash one eye. What will you use in this?
Off.
Off.
Blind of. So you understand the difference? Blind of one eye means what? A person who can not see with one eye. Blind to one's fault means to ignore someone's mistake. Okay. Call at a place, call on a person. He called at the office. He called on the manager. So call at a place, call on a person. Then care for a person, care of a thing. Care for a person, care of a thing. Then compare with, compare to. कंपेयर विथ कब यूज होता है? जब दो चीज बिल्कुल समान हो. एंड कंपेयर टू इज यूज्ड व्हेन two things are not similar. Compete with a person, compete for a thing. Compete for a person, compete with a thing. Example, just compete for a, he competed dash the post of manager. What will you use here?
For.
For. I'm for.
For, yes. He competed dash his friend
With.
to win the dash his friend. So here you will use with. You compete with a person, you compete for a post. Then complain to and complain against. Complain to मतलब क्या? किसी को complain करना. एंड कंप्लेन अगेंस्ट मतलब क्या? किसी चीज के खिलाफ कंप्लेन करना. So you complain to also and you complain against also. Then deal with a person, deal in nothing. This is deal with a person, deal in nothing. Example, his father deals dash stationery. He deals dash everyone politely. So what will you fill in the first blank? deal in a thing, deal with a person. Deal in a thing,
Dictionary.
हाँ फर्स्ट ब्लैंक में
Ma'am, in.
In.
in, so deals in. Second blank, deals
With.
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 Okay, then differ, die of a disease, die for a cause. So die के साथ 4 preposition यूज होता है. Die of a disease, die for a cause, die due to overwork, die from hunger. So suppose it is of a disease. Example, she died dash malaria. What will you use? She
Of.
died dash
Of.
of malaria. Uh, uh, many freedom fighters died dash the freedom of the country.
Ma'am, due to.
नहीं,
And for.
for a cause.
And for.
So many
For.
freedom fighters died dash the freedom of our country. So here it is a cause. So died for the freedom of our
Ma'am,
country.
due to some reason.
हाँ कोई रीजन के लिए है तो फॉर.
मैम रीजन तो सब हो जाएगा.
रीजन तो सब हो जाएगा, लेकिन ये दोनों एक्सेप्शन है. ओवरवर्क के साथ टू यूज होता है और हंगर के साथ फ्रॉम यूज होता है. बाकी जो भी रीजन है उसके लिए रीजन के लिए फॉर और डिजीज है तो ऑफ. इज इट क्लियर हिमांशु?
Yes, ma'am.
Overwork, so due to overwork.
Yes, ma'am.
Then if it is hunger, then you are using from. For any other reasons, cause, for, and अगर disease है कुछ भी तो off.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then differ from a thing, differ for a purpose. Differ from a thing means he differ So what will you use here? He differed dash the cause of apartheid. For a
From.
purpose. So he differed for the cause of apartheid from a thing. Means differ from a thing. Means he differed from like two things are different. Then you use differ from a thing. Like plains differ from deltas. Plains differ from islands. Then differ from. Disgusted with a person, disgusted at a thing. Disgusted with a person, disgusted at a thing. So example, disgusted.
Ma'am, at.
Ma'am, At.
At. Okay. With dash his friend. इसमें क्या यूज कर
मैम with his friend.
with his friend. Okay. So okay, then distinguish in one thing from another. Distinguish between two things. So when there are two things, then you use distinguish. Uh, it is easy to distinguish between oil and water.
Water.
It is easy to distinguish between oil and water. It is easy to it is we can distinguish sea from the river. We can distinguish sea from the river, one thing from another. But when there is two things between oil and water,
And we can distinguish between girls and boys.
we can distinguish between girls and boys. Okay. Enquire into a matter, inquire after one's health. Enquire into a matter मतलब किसी चीज के बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त करना. He inquired into the matter, like the police inquired into the matter. But if you are inquiring after, if it is someone's health, then you inquire after someone's health. Okay. Then enter a place, enter into an agreement. Enter a place, enter into an agreement. So here if it enter is there, then no preposition. He entered the temple. यहाँ पे कोई preposition नहीं यूज होगा. लेकिन अगर agreement है तब वहां पे preposition into यूज होगा. He entered into an agreement to build an apartment over there. The landowner entered into an agreement to construct an apartment in that land. So into an agreement, but if it is entering a place, then you don't use any preposition. No preposition. Enter a place. He entered the temple. So entrust a person with a thing. Entrust a thing to a person. Entrust a person with a thing. Entrust a thing to a person. मतलब entrust a person with a thing मतलब क्या? किसी को कोई काम देना विश्वास में लेकर. और entrust a thing मतलब क्या? किसी को कोई सामान देना. Entrust a person with a thing. Entrust a thing to a person. Okay. Then fire at a man, fire upon a mob. Like the policeman. What will you use here?
Upon.
So here, first one, what will you use?
Upon.
Upon.
On.
First one upon है, mob है, mob और crowd एक ही होता ना. So if it is a mob, then upon. But if it is a man, then
Ma'am,
At.
at, fired at.
At.
Then lean against a wall, lean. Grateful to a person, grateful for a thing. Grateful to a person, grateful for a thing. Example, uh, what will you use in the first sentence?
I am grateful to you.
Yes, in the first sentence you will use I am grateful to you. What will you use in the second sentence?
With.
Grateful for your
With
help.
your help.
With
For.
for. So you use grateful. You are grateful to a person. You are grateful for someone's help. So great.
मैम with भी हो सकता था ना
किस में? नहीं with नहीं
मैम वो
with नहीं होगा. ग्रेटफुल के साथ टू लगता है और फॉर लगता है. हाँ, grateful to a person, grateful for your help. So useful, suffer from fever, suffer for follies. इसका देखते हैं. Suffer from fever, for suffer for follies. Follies means you know. Folly मतलब mistake. So she suffered for her. She suffered dash her carelessness. What will you use? From or
For.
for? Huh? He suffered dash fever. What will you use here?
From.
Huh?
From.
From.
From. So you suffer for a mistake, suffer for and suffer from. You suffer for a mistake, you suffer from fever. क्वारल, क्वारल एक कॉमन वर्ड है, वो ले. क्वारल विथ, क्वारल क्या है? क्वारल के साथ दोनों है. विथ अ पर्सन ओवर अ थिंग. ही क्वारल. So what will you use? दो
Over.
preposition है हमारे पास. क्वारल के साथ दो preposition है, with और over. तो किसमें क्या यूज होगा? With over.
He quarreled over a piece of land.
Yes. He quarreled over.
Quarreled with his brother.
Quarrel with his brother. So you understand the difference? Quarrel over a matter, quarrel with a person. So quarrel, grateful. Then retire from business, retired to bed.
Time is
Okay. So we have two prepositions with retire. What is it? From or
Retired from this.
from और to. किस में क्या होगा? पहला में क्या
He
होगा?
मैम
retired.
मैम from
So he retired from job. He retired to bed. Retired to bed मतलब क्या? He went to sleep. Retired to bed means what? Retired to bed means went to sleep. Retired from job. Retired to bed. So retired to bed भी यूज होता है. इसका मीनिंग होता है कि सोने जाना. और रिटायर्ड फ्रॉम जॉब तो ऑफ कोर्स कॉमन जो है. देन पार्ट फ्रॉम अ पर्सन, पार्ट विथ अ थिंग. You know the meaning of part?
Ma'am, to separate.
Yes, very good. तो आप किसी आदमी से भी अलग होते हैं और चीज से भी अलग होते हैं. He parted dash his friends with tears.
From.
और एक he parted beautiful pen.
With his.
So,
With.
क्या है? किसमें from होगा, किसमें with होगा?
He parted from his friend with tears.
ये क्या आ गया? तो parted from his friend और parted with his pen. Okay, so you part from a person, you part with a thing. From a person with a thing. Chalo, now time is over, so I'm ending the class.
मैम PDF भेज दीजिएगा.
ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll send it. भेज दें.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Bye.
Okay, bye all of
Bye,
you.
ma'am.
Bye. Bye all of you.
Good day, ma'am.
Oh, good day all
Good
of
night, ma'am.
you. Good night.